Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch RPS touchscreen special for Toyota Rav4 2012 to 2017 years. Okay, it's built-in microphone. It's a reset IST reset hole. These buttons, and you can check the front panel. It comes with special harness and canvas box. It's radio antenna and backup camera connector. Also come with head unit plug and play. Okay. Let me introduce. You can check the settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose logo and back the home Belsee. You can choose time. You can choose speed by GPS and choose logo. You can set Toyota. Okay. You can change color theme editor. Any color you can adjust this panel with red, blue, gray, and gray. Let me choose red color. Okay. All apps are here. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Button motion, you can check the MCU volume, CPU octa-core, memory size, RAM 4GB, and the PX5 Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back this back button. It's the volume. Okay. And let me check the ROM. Storage, you can check total 64 GB. 64 GB. Okay. Let me check the. Let me introduce Bluetooth. Home. Open this. It's Bluetooth. Device name and the PIN number. Let me open my phone. You can check turn on the Bluetooth and click search button. Get Galaxy. Put the 40 1 2 3 4. Okay. And you can stream music. You can make a phone call. Okay, you can download the contact listing and stream music. It's Bluetooth and volume from your phone. Okay, let me show the music from USB. It's USB driver. There are two USB cable on back. It also supports USB hub. Let me connect one with USB. It will play music automatically. DSP amplifier. This is normal. Okay. Let me show video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. By the car setting, drum setting, turn on watch. And play video game. It supports some 4K demo video around the world. Okay, and all maps, all apps are here, and let me find the. You can check. You can install application from USB, and easy connection for Mirrorlink. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi, Mirrorlink. Okay, and Google Play Store. This Maps, Google Maps, and let me. When you back home, you can long press and add the app. Open by music. built in Google Maps. You can check running Google navigation and music at the same time. Set your map. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us by website belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, thank you.